So hello everyone, and today we are making a cute colorful little bear. And you're gonna need 3 colors of the plasticine. I use this air dry light, feels like foam plasticine. 1 color for the body, 1 color for the details, and 1 color for eyes plus nose. And also a needle. So let's start. For the head, make a little ball and then give it a square shape on top and bottom and on the sides. So here how it looks. Let's move on to the body. Make a smaller ball for the body and then try to make a long rectangle shape. Something like that. So let's try. Oh, it looks nice. Then give it a more teardrop-like shape, and it should be really long. Let's check. Okay, and now take your needle or a stick and carve legs there. Press it to the table so it will be able to stand. Now let's attach the head. Use your stick or the needle to attach them better. Now, after attachment, your bear might not be able to stand, so fix it by adjusting it a little bit. Here we go. Now make 2 little balls for the ears. Flatten them a little bit, just a bit. They'll stay quite thick. And grab your colors for the details. Make 2 smaller balls than your ears and attach them as details. Now you can add your ears to the bear. Make 2 little arms. Then make 2 tiny balls and press them to the bottom of your hands. Take your needle and carefully start adding textures. All over the arms. And attach it to the back, with the palms looking inside. Just like that. Then take your detail color and make a little belly. Its teardrop shape and press it to the bear. Take another ball of this color and add a little face. So right now add the same texture you did for the hands to the whole body. Then add a little tail on the back. My plasticine is already dried, so I'm gonna glue the tail. And then grab your last color and little eyes and little nose. And this is what you should get.